Today I'm going to take you to one of our favorite restaurants, Happy Lamb Hot Pot. Let's go inside.
First, we'll check in at the front desk and wait to be seated. Then, we'll take a look at the menu to choose a broth for our soup base. Today, we're going to go with the best of both worlds, so half original and half golden cabbage broth. For the meat, we'll start off with beef shoulder and beef short plate. While we wait for that, we have time to put together our dipping sauce. We add 1 ladleful of sesame sauce, a squirt of sesame oil, a scoop of garlic, and a bit of green onions and cilantro. Then we sprinkle on sesame seeds, dried chili spice, and a scoop of spicy chili oil. This is a perfect dipping sauce for us. What do you think? Would you change something if it were your sauce? After we make the sauce, we go to the buffet counter to get raw meat, fish, tofu, and vegetables. Just at this counter, there are more than 40 different things you can choose. Since there are so many options, it's easy for us to eat lots of fresh vegetables. Okay, let's add just a little bit more, and that should be enough. Or at least enough to get us started. And here on the other side, there are a bunch of foods that are already cooked and ready to eat. Oh, and I can't forget to grab a drink. They usually have sour plum juice, but I don't see it here today, so I'll settle for some milk tea. Ooh, the broth is already boiling, and our meat order is here, so we can start adding everything into the pot. Do you like your meat a little bit fatty? This one has some good fat on it. This other cut isn't as fatty, but has excellent marbling, so it will be really tender and juicy too. Let's get some of that into the pot. Everything looks so good. Finally ready to eat. Oh, wait, I forgot a few things, so I went back to the buffet for shrimp, fish, spicy fish, and a little taste of garlic chicken and garlic beef. And look at this lettuce. It's amazing. I mean, it tastes delicious, but I also feel so healthy when I eat it. I need more of this in my diet. Okay, enough healthy food. How about some ice cream? Maybe chocolate ice cream. And maybe even some cotton candy too. What a great day for Hot Pot.